we will discuss the test of significance of estimates of the multivariable cases, regression case. Now, there is a traditional test, it is called standard error test. So it is equivalent to student's t-test. So null hypothesis is bi is equal to 0 and alternative hypothesis h1 not equal to 0. So bi is equal to 0 for each parameter and not equal to 0, this implies a two-tailed test at 5% level of significance. So standard error test is SBI, standard error of BI is equal to under root of variance BI estimated. So it is compared with the numerical values of the estimate. So what numerical value will give. So we will compare this with the numerical values. So if standard deviation of estimated beta I is greater than half of estimated beta I, so this is greater than half of this, half of beta, then accept the null hypothesis at 5% level of significance for a two-tailed test. So if it is greater, then we will have to accept the null hypothesis. And standard error should be smaller for significance of the estimate. So smaller the standard error, this is better for significance. Now student t-test. So it is very popular. Student t-test. T star is equal to BI estimated. So anyhow, whether it is a B1 or B2 or whatever may be, according to our number of independent variables. So BI estimated divided by standard error of beta I. So this ratio is the t values, estimated t values. So compare observed value of t with the table value at n minus k degrees of freedom. So n is the number of observations or sample size, how to say, and k is the number of independent variables. So at 5%, n minus k degrees of freedom at 5% level of significance. So now what decision will take? If t star falls within acceptance region, if t star falls within the acceptance region, what is the acceptance region? So minus t 0.025 less than t less than t 0.025 at n minus k degrees of freedom. So 5% means 25% the left side and 25% towards right side. Then accept the null hypothesis. Beta I estimated is not significant at 5% level of significance, and beta I estimated is not that means beta I estimated is not contributing in variation of y. So there is no much contribution of, if it is not significant, then beta I is not contributing in variation of y. Now if t star falls in the critical region, reject null hypothesis, beta I estimated is not significant. A strong evidence of significance exists with low standard error. So when standard error is very low, then there is strong evidence of significance of the estimate. motive. So, thank you very much. We'll continue, and please share and subscribe.